Why proper seated row technique matters.
The seated row is an effective exercise for building a strong back. Using correct technique not only targets key muscles, like your lats and rhomboids, but also reduces the risk of injury. Poor form can lead to strained muscles, back pain, or even joint problems. Prioritizing safe movement ensures that you get the full benefit of the seated row without unnecessary stress.
Getting set up, equipment and positioning.
Start by adjusting the seat and chest pad to fit your body. Sit with your feet flat, knees slightly bent, and your chest against the pad. Keep your back straight, core engaged, and shoulders relaxed but not slouched. Grip the handles with your palms facing each other or downward, maintaining a comfortable, neutral grip. Good setup helps you perform each rep safely and effectively.
Executing the seated row step by step.
Begin by pulling your shoulder blades back before moving your arms. Slowly draw the handles toward your torso, keeping your elbows close to your body. Avoid jerking or using momentum. Focus on squeezing your back muscles as you pull. Pause briefly at the peak of contraction, then return the handles to the starting position with control. Maintain a steady, controlled tempo throughout.
Common mistakes and how to avoid them.
Rounding your back or leaning too far forward puts unwanted strain on your spine. Using heavy weights that force you to use momentum instead of muscle control can also lead to injuries. Avoid shrugging your shoulders or pulling with your arms alone. Always prioritize smooth, controlled movements and proper posture to ensure your back muscles, not your joints, are doing the work.
Tips for safer, more effective seated rows.
Warm up your back muscles before starting and choose a weight that allows full control. Breathe out as you pull the handles in and breathe in as you release. Adjust your grip and handle position if you feel discomfort. Gradually increase weight and repetitions as your strength improves, but never sacrifice form for heavier loads. Good habits make seated rows a safe, powerful part of your fitness routine.